Hey good people, so this is what my hair is looking like 2 months after a retwist. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some water. I want to go ahead and welcome you guys to my channel where I do videos on hair and home. So after I spritz my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use this locking gel. I'm all out of the lock booster, so that's why I'm using that gel, and it actually did great. So after I get my hair sectioned, I'm going to just smooth my hand over my hair first. Then I add the locking gel, and I'm making sure I kind of rub it down. You'll notice that my parting is not great. I've had my locks for quite a while and I've maintained them myself, so my parts are not very neat. I kind of use my fingers to guide any loose hair, and sometimes I'll use the comb to kind of guide any loose hairs where it needs to go. So I'm going to continue on to the next lock, and I'm going to again kind of separate the hair and then smooth it down and then apply the locking gel. When my hair feels dry, I'll just go ahead and continue misting my hair with water throughout the lock retwist. So yeah, I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and I hope you guys enjoy this satisfying lock retwist.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time,
lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus signs, zeros on the table. Jiving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference, yeah? And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more to soak it. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. 말리부 가서 한 잔에 쭉 마시는 blue lemonade. 술은 필요 없어, 다 끝나기 전에, yeah. Under these lucid dreams, yeah. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. This is what I'll do.
breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level,
Okay, we made it to where we all want to be, and that's at the top of our head, retwisting the last few locks. I know I always talk a lot of trash about having thin locks or not having a lot of locks, but that's until I have to do a retwist because it does not take long. You'll see my last lock, I think I combined 3 locks, so it's pretty big. I hate I did that, but it is what it is. I'm going to make it work. So as I get done retwisting my hair, I just tie it down overnight. This is the next day. Everything is laid down, and I think the locking gel worked pretty well. I'll definitely use it again. I do not have any residue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, leave a comment, and until the next video, as always, take care.
You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing.